you're looking for smart shades to install in your home, I have to say that Lutron is by far my favorite and only brand I would currently recommend at the time of this video. The reason for that is because the wide variety of compatibility with your smart home, whether that's Google Home, Apple Home, SmartThings, Alexa, and plenty of other smart devices, Lutron works with them all. The integrations are incredible, and Caseta or Serena by Lutron is one of the most reliable brands on the market. I rarely have to open up the Lutron app, really only to do firmware updates, just because it works so well in my existing Apple Home and with Siri. I did a video on Lutron light switches about a year ago, and the company reached out to me recently to see if I wanted to integrate a smart shade into the mix and to share my honest and unbiased thoughts with you, my trusted audience. I happily obliged, and I'm really glad I did. Setting up the Caseta shades was such a pleasant experience, and considering that I did this install in the highest point of my house, I initially thought that it would be challenging. The process was simple. I submitted my order with Lutron to give them the dimensions of my window as well as the type of shade I wanted, and the order was shipped right to my door. It was well packaged, and we got the custom shade itself ready to go and a mounting kit based on how you want this installed. In this case, I needed a Type B bracket, and I've linked the exact install for this shade by Lutron in the description down below. If you need some extra help, go ahead and check that out. They have mounting kits for installing the shades outside the windowsill or inside, so be sure to double check that before you order. In my case, I measured the inside of my window, and that's where I wanted my shades to go. I first unraveled the shade and checked to make sure everything was in order. This shade kit uses 4 D batteries, which are not a common size. I do wish there was a rechargeable lithium battery pack that was available, but it didn't take me long to find these at my local department store. And here's the thing. These shades are so power efficient that you don't need to replace them very often. It's been 6 months since my install and they're still running fine. This was one of my reservations to having manual batteries, as my window location is in a high place and swapping out the batteries twice a year would be cumbersome. Lucky for me, the battery compartment is on the left-hand side and access to the motor and compartment is reachable from my upstairs balcony. I also wish that Lutron had a solar charging system for the batteries, because not everyone might be able to access windows that are high up, and having a solar panel charging system would make it much easier. However, I think the constant reliability I've had from these shades far outweigh the minor inconvenience of replacing the battery every now and then. Now, what do we need for the install into the windowsill? I would highly recommend using a pair of gloves, especially if the shades are white. You can easily get dirt and dust from your hands while working on the install. This is to prevent it from any smudges. I would also recommend a measuring tape, a pencil to mark your holes, a drill and drill bits, and also a level. If you're like me and installing this on a window higher up, you'll also require a ladder. The bracket kit has pieces per side, one that screws into the window and one that snaps onto the shades themselves. Installing the first piece of each bracket on the respective side of the window was super easy to do. I simply had to mark my holes and drill. Once the right and left brackets were screwed in, it was time to install the shades. So I snapped in the shade idler from the mounting bracket kit to one side, while the left shade bracket aligns and snaps onto the battery compartment. The battery tray should slide in and out easily when the left shade bracket is installed on the shades. Now, on each side of the window brackets, you will have a tab that you use to lock and unlock the shade brackets. The right shade bracket can actually click into place before you put the shade roller on. This allows you to just align the whole of the roller shade into the shade bracket. The left side can be slid into the window bracket grooves and snap into place as well. The shades just needed some fresh batteries to test, and I was able to unlock the left side, slide it out a bit to expose the battery compartment, and then remove the battery tray so I could install the batteries. This will be really easy to replace batteries since it's in an accessible location. Once batteries were installed, I saw the LED light up, and I was ready to pair it with my Lutron app. All I needed to do was press the button on the shade for 10 seconds, and the LED started blinking rapidly. The app picked up the shades immediately, and once I added it to the app, I just had to set the lower and upper limits. There was no messing around with other settings, and having it to show up in HomeKit was automatic, just like my Lutron lights. Now, my impressions on the Lutron shades, Like I said before, best shades I've had. They are incredibly silent and you can't even hear them open or close. They're also super fast compared to other shades in my house that take a while to open and close with the same window size. I do love how easy it is to change the batteries, but again, I would love a solar option. I have never had an issue with reliability, and the shades have worked every single time I ask Siri to open or close them. Not only that, it works if you even want to close or open it a certain percentage of the way, something that my current shades don't really do. Overall, would I recommend these shades? Absolutely. You no longer need to get a professional installer to have them set up around your home, and the integrations that Lutron has with other smart home ecosystems are unprecedented. Now, you might be paying a premium depending on the custom sizing of your windows, but listen, this would be a one-time investment for smart home equipment that is backed by a well-known company like Lutron. If you have any questions about these shades, do let me know in the comments down below. My name is J.I. Thank you for watching, and thank you for kicking it with me.